Let me ask you a question. Are you a servant? Are you a slave? It's America after all. We're free, right? Well, do you serve a debt to pay off a 30-year mortgage on your home? Are you free to choose whether you're going to get up and go to work? How much stress has been piled on your heart in the last year, 5, 10, 15, 20 years? How much responsibility weighs upon you to have a home for your family? You work hard so that someday you'll get to do what you want to do. You give up so much of yourself because you believe you're loving your family and you're providing. You go to work every day doing something that doesn't really bring into the world who you are. You're building someone else's empire. And even though there's no one standing over you to force you, you're your own slave driver. You're not free to choose when you're going to get up, to go where you want to go, when you want to go, to just follow whatever excites you today, to go fly fishing or to go to the golf course or to take a vacation to South America or Hawaii for 2 or 3 months. You see, we really don't have choice. And is that not what slavery is, a lack of choice? Being owned by something? You think that you own your house, you think that you own your car, but actually your car and your house are owning you. And back when slaves were being set free in America, there was a publication, because these people are very arrogant and proud, and they publicized the fact that we're going to change the slavery to another form. Because what is slavery but the ownership of another man's labor? You see what they did? They no longer had to stand over you and beat you with whips. Instead, you would beat yourself. Instead of them providing for your health care and your food, you would now provide for your home and your health. And yet, they own your time. And they receive the benefit of almost all of the monetary gain from your labor, your work, your life's currency. You let them steer that with their banks, and your current is wasted and never used for your benefit. They're out living the life, going on vacation, but you're going to work. And you would tell yourself, well, I love my family, and that's why I do it. And so many people have heart attacks. So many people get stress disorders. So many people reach retirement age only to find out that they no longer have the energy and the health to do what they want to do. And some people never reach it. I've met far too many people that were dead within 3 years of retiring. So if you don't want to be that person, you might be asking, well, how could I possibly be free? I mean, I've got to do these things. I've got these obligations to fulfill. Well, the good news is that most of what you know is a lie, and you can choose to walk away from it. Yes, you can even choose to walk away from that 30-year mortgage that's preventing you from living a great lifestyle. You can. It's entirely your choice. And so you need to choose, and the first foundation of that is land and a home. Click the link below in the description and learn how you can build your own home where you can live without any debt. Imagine, what would you be doing if all of that money that you had to pay for your mortgage or your rent was just free to use any way you saw fit? What if you could choose when and whether to work a job, and yet your family still has a home and you still provide, and yet you're completely free to do what you choose, when you choose, how you choose? Even someone on minimum wage can build this foundational step of having a land and a home. 2 years tops. Even someone on minimum wage can have their own home on their own land and have spent 2 months out of the country traveling within 2 years on minimum wage. I kid you not. It is entirely possible. So click the link below in the description, sign up for our list, and find out how you can get out from under your slavery and be your own master and be good to yourself and your family and fulfill all your obligations in a lighthearted, wonderful way.